in sightings. And then you see loads of them. Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's much better chasing people. Oh, turn into the wind. It's a windy day. So, we're on the trail. That's where we stay, behind that building. And here we are, straight into it. This looks remarkably like ferry or Kent. How windy is it? Coming into land. Just leaving a deer protected area. Oh, that was tough. Looked it up last night. These are called raised turf paths. So on each side there's a ditch. And what they're taking out of the ditch, they put it into the middle, which creates a raised path, which then enables you to get through this sort of landscape fairly easily. Not much to see out here. I did see a couple of geese in the middle of a pond. Oh, day 6. A couple of things that are constant. The wind is constant. There are not a lot of facilities, not unsurprising, there's not a lot of people. So it is quite tough to plan resources. The next few places we're due to get to, there's actually very little accommodation, so what we're doing is getting to them and getting a bus back to the previous place and a bus back in the morning. But it's a beautiful day. Got a medium-sized day today across the moors. So, yeah, let's see where the day takes us. The guidebook does say there's a few of these little stone circles. It's very obviously put here by somebody, but they're quite small. But there's not much else on this section. We have 2 stone chambers. Interesting. Coming down to the sign. So 4.5 kilometres we've gone then. On the back of beyond, something is open. You see one, and then you see loads of them. This is what you're walking Freshwater lock. The water comes down this little stream and ends up in the sea. Look, going onto the skyline. A whole lot of deer. New bridge with a bit of seaweed. interesting. But the gates stop deer coming across, obviously. We thought we'd stop for a cup of tea in this hotel. And look at that harbour made of antlers and the hill beyond. Just after leaving the hotel, get a lovely, lovely, lovely view down the valley. It's not a valley, it's the sea. So for people worried about getting water in places, this is the Hebridean way. That's the hotel, go straight by it, they'll give you water. Slightly better view of the standing stones. Another small hill, another island, and another great view. Lots of deer-proof fencing and gates, because they'll eat everything. See, unlike deer, humans find it quite easy to get through. This is showing you the size of everything. So the blue is an eagle, and inside it is a buzzard, and inside that is a cuckoo, and inside that is a wren. Bloody hell, that's big. So on the map, this path is on the edge of the forested area, but obviously they fenced off even more, and whether it's natural or they planted them, we're getting more trees. Wow. No bears, no snakes. What do you mean? To the bear. That's why there's a bear. So, having come down, we're now walking on what was probably the old single track road. And off to our right is actually a carriageway, one each way, going into the port. This is tough to cycle. Sort of at an angle, trying to keep going. Gosh, into the wind. That's tough. So, this is dried peat that they would burn in their crofts. We occasionally see piles of plastic sacks on hillsides, wondering what they were, but we actually now know for a while. They are bags of peat for heating. That's a bit about peat. That's what you can sometimes see going on the hillside. Bags and bags and bags. And now we know it's peat. Seven kilometres on the old road. Just straight. A little bit up and down, but just straight. Walking along, bright sunshine, and then we just suddenly got hit with a blast of hail. Blimey. Four season weather in a day. Less than 5 minutes after that hailstorm, it's sunny again. Hebridean weather. There we go, the outskirts of Lochmaddy, where we could get a ferry later on when we go home, just depends. But that's our finish point for the day. They're coming over to see us. Hello. Can't can't escape actual road walking into Lochmaddy. So, but it is a carriageway, so not as bad as a single. You're a happy bunny. Dog, really. So we're into Lochmaddy, and this is the first petrol station, gas station we've seen. That's it. Diesel on one side, petrol on the other. That's it. Must be a regular occurrence. We're just on our way to the ferry port, and the sheep want to get there first. Obviously, they want a window seat. Coming into Lochmaddy port. Ferry traffic to the right, it says. Fantastic bus ride. It makes you laugh. 15 minutes in the bus, and we took 2/3 of a day to walk it. So this is that white building is where we're staying. This is from the beach, just down from there. Yeah, it's not very deep. There goes the grey lag.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.